Is this the unofficial successor to the Shelby GT500? With a hand-assembled engine and a focus on track dominance, the 2027 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC is the most powerful Dark Horse ever released. Design exterior. The SC, supercharged model features a 65% larger front opening for cooling and a vented aluminum hood with standard hood pins. Aerodynamics are borrowed directly from the GTD program, including a rear deck lid with a ducktail design and an updated carbon fiber wing. The track pack further optimizes the look with lightweight carbon fiber wheels and exposed carbon end plates, generating 620 pounds of downforce at 180 miles per hour. Interior technology. The cabin is a driver-centric cockpit featuring a flat-bottom steering wheel from the Mustang GTD with a 12 o'clock stripe. Interior materials include a mix of Alcantara and leather with carbon fiber accents and red anodized buttons. The track pack removes the rear seats to save weight, while standard models retain the 12.3-inch digital cluster and 13.2-inch central screen for a high-tech command center. Safety performance. The heart of the beast is a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 delivering a staggering 795 horsepower and 660 lb-ft of torque. It is paired exclusively with a Tremec 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Standard equipment includes next-generation MagneRide dampers, 6-piston Brembo front calipers, and a variable traction control system with 5 selectable levels, while the track pack adds massive 16.5-inch carbon ceramic brakes. Pros. Cons. The removal of a manual transmission option may disappoint some purists. The street-legal track pack is extremely stiff for daily driving, and the fuel economy is predictably low for a supercharged V8. Pros. It delivers near supercar performance at a fraction of the cost, features industry-leading track technology like magnesium strut braces, and provides a raw V8 soundtrack that is becoming increasingly rare.